Hello everybody, welcome to the unboxing of the course for Moonstone. In this video I will unbox, go through the content and show the models once built. Let's go into the content. In the box we will find 4 miniatures with stacked cards and bases. We have Anya Bartol, Striga Anya, the Beast and the Revenant. Everything packed in between two layers of foam. Anya Bartol card, Striga Anya, the Beast and the Revenant. Let's see them. All them on 30mm bases. In the first bag we have Striga Anya, with 3 parts. I think this model will be quite fun to paint. And then Anya Bartol, and in the second bag we got the Beast, very nice model as usual. Nice face, only 2 parts to build. And then Revenant, I will build them, put onto the bases and come back. The course box models are already built. Let's start with the Beast. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know what is this model based on. It's a human and noble. It's a very good model. Let's go for the Revenant, human noble spirit. This one is a bit more creepy, more the kind of models that I like. And then we are going for this pair, Anya Bartol and Striga Anya. It's like a young and innocent girl, a nice dress, nice hair. And then Anya can remove the necklace and she turns into Striga Anya, which this model cannot be deployed. It's a summon bean, so you cannot get this model straight into your troop. So Anya remove the necklace and turns into this creature, which is a bit more scary. I think I will have a lot of fun painting this one. Very cool models with nice mechanics. Thank you very much for watching the video. Also thanks to Gawain for his continued support. If you want to help this project, please comment and subscribe. If you want to go further, in the video description you will find an affiliate link to Firestone Games, where you can find this box and many others at discounted price. You won't pay more, and using this link, the pit will receive some revenue. Good luck and have fun!